Hello, dear students. In this video, we are going to solve this question. This question is from the topic strong and weak acids and bases. And this question is which of these acids has the weakest conjugate base? So, to solve this question, firstly, we will discuss acid conjugate base pair. Let's say uh, this HCl is the acid, and this will dissociate into its ions, and after donating proton, it will become Cl negative. So, if we talk about this backward reaction, in the backward reaction, this Cl negative will act as base because it will accept this proton and produce HCl. So, this is a base, but this is a conjugate base of HCl because HCl produces the Cl negative by donating this proton. So, this will be known as conjugate base of HCl. So now we will understand that strong acid, if the acid is strong acid will produce weak conjugate base, and weak acid will produce strong conjugate base. Now why? Why this happens? If the acid is strong, like here HCl is a strong acid, it has tendency to dissociate completely into its ions, means the forward reaction will occur to the more extent comparative to the backward reaction. So this strong acid will produce or will dissociate into its ions, and we can also say that this Cl negative has less tendency to accept this proton and produce HCl. So this will be weak base, weak conjugate base. That's why strong acid will have weak conjugate base. Now if the acid is weak acid will have low tendency to dissociate into its ions because of its low dissociation constant. So it will not produce or dissociate into its ions to that extent to which this backward reaction occurs. Means this conjugate base of weak acid will have more tendency to accept the proton and to produce the acid itself. So that's why weak acid will have strong conjugate base. Now, here in the question we have to find which of these acids will have weakest conjugate base. Means we have to find the strongest acid among these options. Now this HCl is a strong acid. This is a acetic acid. This is a weak acid. And this ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a salt. First of all, salt will be neutral or slightly acidic or slightly basic. But here we will see that this is a salt of strong acid and weak base. That is ammonia. Now here, this strong acid, that is HCl and NH4OH. So the salt solution of this ammonium chloride will be slightly acidic. So it will be weak acid, we can say. Or we can say the solution of ammonium chloride is slightly acidic. Now again, this acid is a weak acid. So among these options, HCl is the strongest acid and it will have the weakest conjugate base. So answer should be A option, and mark scheme also shows that A option is right. And this is the solution of this question. If still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.